My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 BMW i3. This vehicle has done just over 25,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access media and radio, communication, navigation, connected drive, my vehicle and notifications. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. We can switch between different driving modes, starting with Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.